There comes a moment in every life when the world goes quiet. When the people you trusted stop clapping. When the rooms you once entered with confidence suddenly feel colder. When appreciation fades, invitations stop coming, and your presence no longer feels valued. In those moments, you face a crossroads: shrink or rise. Today, I want to talk to the ones who have been ignored, underestimated, disrespected, or forgotten. Not because you weren't enough, but because you were giving your light to places too small to hold it. So listen closely. Because this is the turning point. Lesson 1: Distance is power. When you're not appreciated, your instinct may be to try harder, to prove yourself, to earn back space in someone's world. But value does not grow where it is not recognized. Distance is not weakness, distance is clarity. When you step back, you reclaim your energy. You reclaim your dignity. You stop fighting for a seat at a table that was never built with you in mind. Imagine how much strength it takes to walk away quietly from a place where your heart once felt at home. That silence, that dignity, is power. Let it guide you. Lesson 2: Do not chase what ignores you. If you are not invited, don't go. If you are invited late, decline. If you are ignored, stop approaching. Life speaks through patterns. When someone's absence is louder than their presence, listen. Your time is currency, too valuable to spend buying attention from those who can't afford to appreciate you. And here's the truth: when you stop chasing, you stop shrinking. You make room for what was meant for you all along. Lesson 3: Betrayal is a redirection. Being betrayed is not the end of your story, it's the beginning of a better chapter. Forgive, not for them, but for yourself. Release the weight. Move forward with purpose. Some people are meant to be lessons, not lifetimes. You do not heal by reopening the door. You heal by walking through a new one. And when you're forgotten, forget them faster. Your future does not need the people your past outgrew. Lesson 4: Let your success speak when you are insulted, when your name is doubted, when your worth is questioned. Don't argue. Don't plead, don't explain. Work. Work until their opinions become irrelevant. Work until their underestimation becomes their regret. Work until your results make the noise your words never needed to. Because the greatest revenge is undeniable success. Lesson 5: Boundaries are self-respect in action. If you have been used, it's time to draw lines. If you have been disrespected, it's time to walk away. If you have been taken for granted, it's time to remove access. You teach people how to treat you by what you allow. And sometimes the strongest thing you can do is leave. Not as an act of anger, but as an act of self-love. Call to action: rise into your worth. This is your reminder: you don't need permission to choose yourself. You don't need validation to rise. You don't need applause to move forward. The world may forget your value for a moment, but you never will. Today, reclaim your power. Today, walk with dignity. Today, honor your worth. And let this be the moment you stop shrinking and start becoming everything you were meant to be. Thank you for watching. Keep going. Keep rising. Your story is far from over, and your breakthrough is closer than you think.